Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about Musk Rose. Rosa moscata. The Musk Rose is a species of rose which has been long in cultivation. Rosa moscata is a shrub growing to 3 meters 10 feet. The prickles on the stems are straight or slightly curved and have a broad base. The veins are sometimes pubescent and the rachis bears prickles. The stipules are narrow with spreading, free tips. Or from late summer onwards in cool summer climates. The sepals are 2 centimeters long with slender points, which is also found in some of its descendants. This species has historically been confused with Arbernoni, a closely related that bears flowers in late spring and which possesses a similar, musky scent. They can be distinguished in gardens. Habits. The variety Plena bears semi-double flowers and a form with steady name Temple musk, found in the United States, bears more fully double flowers. It has been contended that no truly wild examples of the musk rose have been found, though it is recorded in cultivation at least 16th century, being mentioned in A Midsummer Night's Dream, 1596. It is important in cultivation as a parent to several groups of cultivated roses, notably the Damask rose and the Mosette group, and is valued for its scent and for its unusually long season of bloom among rose species. The seeds are processed into popular rosehip seed oil. Musk rose is a species of rose which has been in cultivation for long. Its wild origins are uncertain but are suspected to lie in the western Himalayas. It is a shrub up to 3 meters tall, with single white 5 centimeters across flowers in a loose cyme or corymb. The sepals are 2 centimeters long with slender points. The flowers have a characteristic musky scent emanating from the stamens. The prickles on the stems are straight or slightly curved and have a broad base. The light or grayish-green leaves have 5 to 7 ovate leaflets with small teeth. The stipules are narrow with spreading, free tips. Small, ovate fruits called hips are born, turning orange-red in autumn. This species has historically been confused with Himalayan musk rose, a closely related, tall-climbing species from the Himalayas that bears flowers in late spring and which possesses a similar, musky scent. The true musk rose, Rosa moscata, is an ancient species from southern Europe and the Middle East that, until recently, was thought to be extinct. A related, hardier species from Asia was introduced during the late 19th century and nearly superseded the true European musk. The Rosa moscata is the parent of many important varieties including the fragrant noisette roses. The musk rose is found in both single and double forms, Rosa moscata plena, and bears extremely fragrant, alabaster white flowers beginning in late May and continuing into the fall. In England, it is also known as the autumn rose, and was mentioned in medieval herbals and in the writings of Shakespeare. While many hybrid musks are delicate in appearance, don't let them fool you. They are tough roses. They produce lots of blooms under less than ideal soil conditions, temperatures, and limited sun. They make wonderful landscape plants with their arching branches that cascade gracefully. They produce abundant blooms throughout the season, in a wide range of colors from delicate pinks, yellows, and apricots to vibrant reds. Best of all, many are very fragrant and fairly resistant to disease. Hybrid musk roses are generally attributed to those created by Englishman Rev. Joseph Pemberton and his gardeners, the Bentles. Many of the best of his roses has Trier as one of their parents, and Trier has a tenuous link to the musk rose, or moscata. Subsequently, many others have developed roses that they describe as hybrid musks. The Vintage Gardens website has an apt description of this group of roses. What binds the hybrid musk group together is its shrub rose nature. These roses are best grown freely, without pruning, allowing their natural grace to develop. They are mostly fragrant, bearing subtly colored smallish flowers in clusters, often very large clusters, especially in the fall. Healthy, lustrous foliage is a hallmark of the hybrid musks, and several varieties can be pushed quite far with shade tolerance. They require little pruning, and thus little familiarity with rose culture. Suit people who want the showy beauty of roses without the upkeep. They are mostly hardy to about 15 degrees F, regardless of where they come from. They are indeed incredible roses that are consistent performers. Thank you for watching.